Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to set up TradingView on tablet full guide. First, open your tablet app store and search for TradingView, then tap Install. After installation, launch the app and sign in or create a new account with your email. Next, grant any requested permissions so the app can send alerts. Finally, set a simple watch list to confirm charts load properly and alerts trigger on your device. Now we will customize charts step by step to make the tablet experience smooth and efficient. Start by selecting chart type and adjusting timeframes with touch gestures, then arrange indicators and study panels where they don't block price action. Use pinch to zoom and two-finger drag to navigate candles easily. Save your chart layout as a template so you can recall it with one tap, and create a watch list for favorite symbols to speed up trading decisions. Next, we handle alerts and notifications so you never miss important moves while using your tablet. Tap the price or indicator to create an alert, then set the condition, frequency, and expiration time. Choose notification channels such as in-app push, email, or sound so alerts reach you whether the app is open or in the background. Test one alert to confirm it triggers properly and adjust sensitivity to avoid clutter from too many false signals on your device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.